Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not sat so close to the camera this time, so I'm really sorry if you watched my previous video and you had to see my big head right up close to the camera. But anyway, you've got your personal space, I've got mine. Let's go on to the video. Also, I am filming this on Snapchat. I don't know if it's just the camera or if it's the lighting, but I'm not liking this glare on my face, but there's nothing that I can do, so let's just get on to the video. Before you continue watching, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share, and just gas me up, please. We as human beings tend to be quite optimistic about the future. When I live alone, I'm going to be so healthy, I'm going to work out every single day, I'm going to cook salmon and veg every day, I'm going to study 30 hours a day, 9 days a week, and have like 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Why are you lying? Stop lying to yourself. Have you thought about the grocery shopping that you have to do? Have you thought about the food you have to cook? Have you thought about paying £200 a week to live in a shoebox? Or have you figured out how to use a washing machine? Because I still don't know how to use a washing machine. I had to ask my sister before filming this video. If you want to find out how to use a washing machine, then keep watching the video. I'll be explaining what it's really like to live alone and what to expect, and hopefully throw in some tips here and there that will hopefully benefit you.
When? Last night. I'm sorry, but when you walked in on me and your Uncle Tommy, sometimes the people that you trust the most can turn on you with no warning. So look, I know it's a lot for you.
I was so optimistic during the first few weeks. I was like, yeah, vegetables, yeah, apples, yeah, chicken. But that motivation went from up here to like just non-existent, like off the screen. You cannot even see it anymore because it's just gone. It just went, it left the screen. Do you know how long it takes to cut up vegetables? I would sit there peeling like carrots, chopping them up, and if you know me, you know that me and kitchens just don't get along. Like, I will walk into a kitchen all intact and I'll walk out with like 20 cuts on my hands. I don't know how, but I'll buy frozen veg. Don't go thinking you're gonna become like some top chef watcher at uni. Like, just calm down. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Sign up to the gym like now. Prepare from now. Grow your arm muscles. Gain that strength, because let me tell you this, you will need it. You know when you don't have a car and you're too broke to get one because you're a student and you're in debt? Well, the food that you're eating, it's not gonna fall from the sky. You need to actually go to the shops and buy it and carry it home. That means like hold bags of food and walk home with it. You're not gonna have your mum or your dad to buy it for you, to go Asda and to fill up their trunk with the food that you eat. You're gonna have to do that all by yourself. The amount of times I've had to walk home with a huge bag of grocery like clutched against my chest. By the time I got home, I would literally have sweat dripping from places I never knew existed. My tip for that is either don't buy a lot of grocery at one time. Buy some things like whenever you need it, every few days. If you can't be bothered doing that and you want to do all your shopping for the entire week, then buy one of those do they call it a granny trolley? I don't know. It's the thing that you put and you drag it. I'm gonna put a picture up. The only reason why I didn't get one is because, like I said before, I lived in a shoebox. I had no space to put it anywhere. But if you live in a bigger room, buy one of those. Trust me, like, who cares what people think? Look after your arms, look after your health. You don't want to be coming home all sweaty and tired, so get one of those, put your grocery in there and just drag that along. It's gonna help you.
One hour later.
Oops.
You've probably been waiting for this, or maybe that's just me. If you're like me and you've never used a washing machine, I'm going to tell you how. I'm going to give you a quick lesson. You know the thing that you pull out? How it has like 3 slots? I just learnt this like yesterday. You put the powder thing, I think they call it detergent, in the 1st and the 3rd slot, and then you put the liquid thing that makes your clothes smell nice in the middle. Yeah, and that's it. And then you just close it and then like just turn the thing and click the thing to turn the washing machine on. Like, that's literally it.
Oh my god! Wow!
But if you're living in one of those student accommodations where you have to pay for the washing machine using this card, it's a little different. When I first tried to use it, I was so confused because it doesn't have one of those trays that you pull out. I was sat there like trying to figure out a way to open it. Like, I thought you needed a key. With those kind of washing machines, it's a lot more simpler. So you literally just put your clothes in, put the detergent on top of your clothes, or like one of those capsules, and then you just start it. But I'm sure you all know how to use a washing machine. I think I'm the only one who doesn't. I am not wifey material, so no hate. I don't know about you, but when I'm living with my family, during the weekend, my mum is my alarm. My mum just shouting my name is enough to wake me up. But when you're living alone, you have no reason to get up early in the morning, especially if it's during the weekend. So you're just gonna keep snoozing your alarm. Oh my god, once. Do you know how on iPhone, when you click the power button 6 times, it rings the emergency services? So I struggled so much to get up in the morning. I just kept clicking the power button, but I accidentally clicked it 6 times and I woke up to the sound of, "Hello, what's your emergency?" I thought, crap, I had to hang up. My tip for this is quite simple. Find a reason to get up early in the morning. Plan to go to the library during the weekend with someone, because that way you don't really want to let them down, so you'll be motivated to wake up early. Or just find something to do that is scheduled to start early in the morning. If you have those days where you just lie in and you just don't want to get out of bed, it happens to everyone, but don't make it a regular thing. This is quite simple. Just expect to find a pile of clothes on your bed that you're going to keep transferring back and forth between your desk chair and your bed throughout the day for the next few months. That's it. Yes, Mama, I'll be fine. I'll FaceTime you like every day. It'll feel like I'm there with you. Don't worry.
1 hour later.
I don't think people talk about this a lot, maybe because it's a personal thing, but it's normal and everyone goes through it. I've had a few times this year where I just deep the fact that I'm living alone, I'm not with my family, and I have no friends. Jokes. It's fine to feel like that. Maybe talk to other people who are in your kind of situation as well, or maybe just do something to distract yourself. But just think of it this way, it is normal, and one day you are gonna have to leave your family anyway, whether it's for uni, for work, or like if you're getting married. So this is good practice. I think I am done with the video. I know I focused a lot on the negatives, but there are some really good things about living alone. For example, in London, everything apart from the water has been amazing. Personally, I like being in a busy environment. Just meeting people from so many different ethnicities. Like, London particularly is so diverse. If you're going to be living alone this year, then enjoy it. Be nice, help people out.